Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my friend? What are you doing, my friend? You are wondering what is the important thing. It is very important. With my Google accounts, there are many apps linked with my account, and most of the accounts are like dangerous. They can hack my account, they can hack my data, they can hack my channel, they can hack a lot of things. They can hack WhatsApp with my number ID. Obviously, they are dangerous. They are like virus. And similarly, it can be with your account. Definitely, you'll sign in with your Google account. In many apps, you sign in, like the money games. When you feel greed, you see the ads on YouTube, and you sign in with your Google account. And obviously, there is nothing you get, but you can destroy. This can destroy your account. You can be jailed even. Anyway, how to remove linked apps with your Google account? Step by step in this video I will guide you. Are unknown apps connected to your Google account? In this video I will show you step by step how to remove linked apps with your Google accounts. This helps you protect your privacy, improve account security, and remove apps you no longer use. In this video you will learn how to check apps connected to your Google account, how to remove third-party apps safely, how to protect your Google account from unauthorized access. If this video helps you, please like, share and subscribe my channel Mujahid Official 12. Thank you so much for watching. Meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating. And if you have any kind of problem, let me know down below in the comment box. I will definitely try to make a dedicated video on it. And thank you so much for watching. Go to settings, scroll down. Under safety and emergency, click Google account. Under Google services, click on your Google account. Your username and email are showing here. Click on it. And under Google, your name and email are showing. And under that Google account, click on it. And under Google account, your name and email, and scroll down a little bit. And under Google password linked apps, click on it. And under linked apps, your Google account, the apps that are linked with your account are showing here. Click on apps one by one and remove that are not safe. Only keep the apps that are safe, and some apps I will tell you, like WhatsApp and CapCut. Only kind that you use. Keep the apps that you use. Removes all the apps that you don't use. That cannot be safe, because the apps have access. If you have read the policy, of the apps, when you sign in with your Google account, a pop-up show that read the privacy and policy, and you check and you agree with the policy. The apps can access your Google account, all the data, search history and everything else. Even they can access your mobile data. In that your mobile, like your gallery data. Please remove the apps that you don't use. Only keep the app that you use frequently. So, like, click on, for example, I will click on this web and click under sign in with Google. Click delete all and confirm delete all. Under delete all, click confirm, and it will remove. Click go back, like see this, please remove. And similarly, click remove one by one, and this will save your account.